Welcome to Maths for You YouTube channel. A past question on mechanics from Oxford and Cambridge past paper. A rod of length 2 meter hangs vertically in equilibrium. Parallel horizontal forces of 30 Newton and 50 Newton are applied to the top and bottom, and the rod is held in place by a horizontal force F Newton applied X meter below the top of the rod as shown in the figure. To find the value of F, find the value of X. I have redrawn the diagram or sketched the diagram. The rod is hanging from the top. The force is T, just marked it, but we don't need to worry about it. The forces acting on the top is 30 Newton. The forces acting on 50 the bottom. There's another forces on the opposite direction acting X meter from the top. I just marked it as X. Right, let's do that. The rod is at equilibrium, therefore the forces acting on that rod horizontally, vertically, but the resultant force should be 0 to keep it at equilibrium. So I just took left to right. The forces horizontally is, as I said, the resultant force horizontally should be 0. So therefore 50 and 30 horizontally from left to right, and F from right to left, so the sign change to come to this side because of the direction. Therefore, all to add together, the forces on one particular direction is 0, as I said, it's at equilibrium. From that, F equal 80 Newton. That's the first one. The second one, we need to find X. So what we have to do, again, equilibrium, the torque about a particular or any point and in one direction should be 0 to keep the rod in equilibrium. So the torque, as I said, is 0. The torque, we took torque about X clockwise. So the clockwise torque, or the 0. So 1 is, if you look at it, 30 is a clockwise. 30 times the perpendicular distance is x. So 30 times x is torque, is 30x minus 50 times, and the distance is 2 minus x. So that is 2 minus x. And that is on the anti-clockwise or counterclockwise. That therefore is minus. So 30 times x minus 50 times 2 minus x equals 0. From that, 30x minus 50 times 2 is 100, plus minus minus plus 50x. 30 plus 50 is 80x, and take the 100 to the other side is 100. 80x equal 100, x equal 100 over 80, 10 over 8, 5 over 4, therefore 1.25 meter. So x is 1.25 meter. So that is what we have been asked to find as well. So yeah, it's X found. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel and share the contents with other students and friends. Thank you.